Hey, Gary Baker here from 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build an email list for free so you can promote Warrior Plus products. We're going to set this all up by using a free account over at Groove.cm, Groove Pages, and Groove Funnels. We're going to build our email list using a free Aweber account. And what that's really going to look like is you are going to be looking for your target audience by creating helpful content over on YouTube or posting on Facebook. And that's going to lead people over to the landing or the bridge page, which is going to contain your affiliate link. And you're going to build this using Groove. When people land on this landing and bridge page, you are going to entice them. You're going to give them a reason, a good headline, something valuable in exchange for them giving up their name and email address so you can add them to your email list on Aweber. And then after that happens, it's going to redirect them over to the affiliate product sales page, which is going to be a product that we're going to find to promote on Warrior Plus. So first things first, back over to Warrior Plus, let's find a product. If you go to Warrior Plus and you look at the top products, you are going to see the top 10 for the day. My recommendation at this stage is to ignore everything on that top 10 list and instead come over to the marketplace and come to categories. Once you get over to the category section, you'll be able to browse the marketplace, and inside of the marketplace, you can see the different things or categories that are for sale here on Warrior Plus. What you want to do is focus on picking something that is in the category or the same niche that your audience is in, the audience that you're going to build. For example, if you are focused on Amazon and Amazon products, selling things on Amazon, being an affiliate for Amazon, or YouTube and how to use YouTube to make money, or here's a good example, Fiverr. If you want to teach people how to use Fiverr or show people how they can use Fiverr for a side hustle and you're building an audience around being a person that works and sets up gigs on Fiverr and that's your audience, then come here and find products under the Fiverr category. Then you can come under that category and you can see all the products here. Of course, you will need to evaluate each and every one of the products that you promote. That means either getting review access from the vendor or purchasing the product. But in this example, let's just use this product right here and take note that I am not endorsing this product. I am not telling you to promote this product. I am using this purely as an example. Fiverr Profits Academy. Are you stuck in shiny object syndrome and nothing seems to work for you? Finally learn how to become successful online delivering simple tasks using unique software. Learn from a real teacher that has been making a living on Fiverr with simple gigs. This is the sales page for the product that we have selected to promote or tell our audience about and give them access to this sales page to build our email list. So again, back over here at this diagram, we are on YouTube or Facebook creating content for our target audience, our audience that is interested in learning more about Fiverr. So we're going to create content on YouTube or Facebook that says, hey, if you want to learn how to do Fiverr, check this out. Or 12 reasons you should be doing Fiverr. Because you can make all kinds of money. Check out this product, your affiliate link. You send them over to the landing page where your affiliate link is going to be. They sign up to your email list in exchange for being sent over to this information that you found for them on this great product that you're promoting on Warrior Plus. So now let's go back to this section and let's actually configure the pieces that we need. We need the landing page, the bridge page, or the opt-in page where they're going to land. Our target audience is going to land and they're going to provide you their email address and they're going to go on your email list. So let's start with the email list and let's build that in Aweber. So there's a link in the description. You can hop over to Aweber and when you do, you can get a free account. And when you do that, you will be asked to build a list. And then what you can do is you can come down to list options and you can see your list settings. Here, I've just used this as an example. The list name is Gary Baker's List. List description, which is optional, a mailing list to regularly send out updates about Gary Baker's company. Again, all fictional at this point. I'm just showing you an example. From name and address, Gary Baker. From address, 30minutemarketing@gmail.com. Note that you do not want to use @gmail.com or any other free email addresses for optimum delivery. But if you're starting for free and you need to get started, well, go for it. Your contact address is going to go right here. That's your postal address or a P.O. box. Make sure you fill that out to make sure you're in compliance with CAN spam. Take note of the free account. If you do not upgrade to a pro account and pay for Aweber, which you don't have to do to get started, but if you don't, you are going to have a Powered by Aweber badge while you are on the free Aweber account. This Powered by Aweber badge will appear in the footer of each email sent from this list. If you want to remove this badge, you have to upgrade to remove this badge. So back to the dashboard, and this is where you're going to create your follow-up messages. And to do that, you'd simply select Create Message and select one of these. I usually go with the HTML editor, and this is where you will broadcast emails to that target audience that came from YouTube or Facebook in this example, landing on your landing page or bridge page, and they get on your email list. This is where you will follow up and send them back to the product sales page from your email list or to any other offers. But the idea here is to build that email list in your free Aweber account, which I've just showed you exactly what that's going to look like once you establish your free account and set up your first list. Now, let's move our attention back to the landing page bridge page and what we'll call the opt-in page. To do that, we're going to use Groove.cm and GroovePages and GrooveFunnels. There's a link in the description to grab your free account to follow along with this process. Simply log in and click on GroovePages and GrooveFunnels. Once you're in GroovePages and GrooveFunnels, you'll come up to your account here and you will go under My Integrations and you will simply add Aweber into the list of integrations in your account. It's as simple as going to integration type, selecting Aweber, and then authorizing your account to integrate with Groove. Once you do that, exit, come back, and now we are ready to build a landing page or an opt-in page. As you can see here, I have 2 sites already, and I can create one more site. If I go over 3 sites, I would need to upgrade to Pro. We'll go ahead, select New Site. Here we're going to select and use one of the free single pages. We'll scroll down and we will use this page right here because I like the way it looks and it's going to be easy to edit, and we will select the Master Course Opt-in page. This page may or may not be available or may look different when you watch this video. Don't get caught up in that, just enter a site name. In this case, we're just going to call it Free Email List and we're going to start building. That's going to open up the page, and as you can see, that is a full page. What we want to do is we just want to get rid of some of these blocks that we don't need. Don't get too caught up in this. Just understand you don't need all these blocks. We just need the opt-in page. And I just want to show you this for completeness, that you can just simply delete the blocks that you don't need and just create a very simple, focused opt-in page, landing page that only asks a person to do one thing, which keeps it simple. And in this case, we don't need this block either, so we'll delete that. And then at this point, what we have here is we have a headline, a subheadline, and an email opt-in form. So we're going to change this headline and subheadline. And to do that, we're going to look at the sales page. But first, let's change this image right here because this may or may not represent what you're trying to show. And to do that, simply click on the block, come down to background, select choose image. You can go to free stock photos and you can search for something. For example, I'll search for city. And then when you find something you like, you can just select that. Something that you think will look kind of cool. For example, this, we'll go ahead and click. It will add that to our files. And then once that's finished uploading, we will simply hit select. Then that will load up into the background, and now we have a new background. Again, make this something that makes sense to you, something that is appealing, and of course you can test this along the way. Now let's change this headline and this subheadline. And to do that, we're going to go back to the sales page for the product that we are promoting, in this case, Fiverr Profits Academy, and we're going to select one of these headlines or subheadlines or something from the text of the sales page or the body copy of the sales page, and we're simply just going to use that. So for example, do you want to see how I make a steady income online? We're simply going to copy that. We're going to go back to GrooveFunnels. We're going to highlight that, and we're simply going to paste it in. And then we're going to make sure that space is gone. And then for the subheadline, we're going to do the exact same thing. In this case, we'll just take this right here and we'll copy this, go back to GrooveFunnels, add that as our subheadline, close this out of the way. Do you want to see how I make a steady income online? Your step-by-step guide to becoming successful on Fiverr. Of course, you could change this to get your step-by-step guide to becoming successful on Fiverr. Sign up below for free access. Then to finish out the configuration of this page, simply click here on this form. But take note, in the breadcrumbs, body block container, form container, you need to click on form container. This is where you integrate Aweber with GroovePages to actually get the email addresses over into your email list over on Aweber. Select Configure, Integration, select Aweber, whatever you called it when you integrated it, select the list, in this case, Gary Baker's list. Thank you, redirect link. Again, back to the diagram, audience coming from YouTube or Facebook over to the landing or bridge page. In this case, this redirect will be the affiliate product sales page, which will be your affiliate link. And they'll be added to your email list, and then they'll be redirected over here automatically. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. But now let's get that affiliate link to place here in the thank you redirect URL. And to do that, we go back to Warrior Plus, and we are simply looking for Fiverr Profits Academy. So we will copy that name and we will go to affiliates. We'll go to offers. We will type in that offer title name and we will search for it. And we'll scroll down and you can see here is Fiverr Profits Academy. To request our link, we simply click the request button. That will bring up the Fiverr Profits Academy product page that gives you all the information, to include the JV information, which is the information how to sign up to the JV list for David Mills so you can get information on all his new products. But what we need to do here is come and select request approval. Now here is where you need to make sure that you set up your Warrior Plus account correctly. So the person, in this case, David Mills, the vendor will take you serious and leave a note on how you are going to promote this. Be honest and tell the truth of exactly how you are going to promote this product. In this case, you're going to be using free traffic in this example from YouTube and from Facebook, as well as building an email list and sending follow-up emails about the product and why you think it's a good product after you either purchased it or you got review access from the vendor. If you'd like to know more about how to set up your Warrior Plus account the correct way, check out the card up here in the right-hand corner. But for now, we're just going to leave this blank and I'm going to select request offer. And you'll see success. Your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified by email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. Notice it says you will be notified by email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. Yes, your request could be rejected if you are new to the Warrior Plus platform, and that's most likely the case. Again, be honest, be upfront, buy the product, review the product, and let the seller know, the vendor know exactly how you are going to promote the product. If you are new, say you are new. Close that, and as you can see, I was immediately approved to promote this product. That is because of my standing on Warrior Plus as a vendor. Again, this may or may not happen for you. You may need to wait for the vendor to manually approve you. But at this point, what we need here is this affiliate link, and we are simply going to copy this link. Going to go back to GrooveFunnels, and remember what we're doing here. We're inside the form container. We are configuring the integration to integrate with Aweber to add people to our list, and then we are going to redirect them to our affiliate offer or the affiliate sales page via our affiliate link, which is that link right there. And we are going to select update, and then we're going to come up here and we're going to select publish, and we are going to select the GroovePages subdomain. As you can see here, mine is 30minutemarketing.groovepages.com, and this is going to be free Warrior Plus email list, and we are going to publish that website. That's going to say site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. We're going to click on this to go to the website that we just created, the opt-in page, the landing page, the bridge page, and now you can see this is the page that we've created. Take note that you are going to have this banner at the bottom. This site was built with GrooveFunnels, which is going to link back to GrooveFunnels. If this site is spam or abuse, report here. It's going to have a link for your page to be reported. If you want to get rid of that banner at the bottom, you will need to upgrade to Pro version of GrooveFunnels. But that is not a big deal because we're focused on this headline. Do you want to see how I make a steady income online? Get your step-by-step guide to becoming successful on Fiverr. Sign up below for free access. What's going to happen at that point is they're going to enter their name, they're going to enter their email address, and they're going to select Give Me Access. Now, at this point, I wanted to show you this because this is very important. This is something you have to understand about GroovePages, GrooveFunnels, and the way to configure these pages. See this error? This form requires input field with name equal email and name equal name. Let me show you how to fix this error to get this out of the way because this is a big question and it's a stumbling block inside of Groove. That's why I wanted to show you this error message and then show you exactly how to fix it. To fix this, come back to GroovePages, select this input form, come over to configure, simply put in here name and name. This just tells Aweber that this is the input ID of name and the input name is going to be name. These are just variables that need to be passed from GroovePages to Aweber. Just do this and it will work. Select update. Move over to the next box. In this case, this is input, or this is the input box where your email is going to be inputted. Come over to configure, type email, update, come back up to publish the website again. This publishes the new changes. Site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Go back to your page or the tab where the page was, reload it, refresh the page, enter your name, enter your email address, and understand that this is what your audience is going to do. So your target audience is on YouTube and Facebook, and you're going to provide the link on YouTube and on Facebook to your landing and bridge page that you just created on GroovePages. When they opt in, they provide their name and their email. It's going to be added to the email list, which you're going to see here in a second, and then it's going to redirect them to the affiliate product sales page, and that is where you're going to earn a commission when they buy this product on Warrior Plus. So back to the squeeze page that we created, your audience has entered their name and their email address, and they are going to select Give Me Access. They're going to be subscribed, and you're going to see the redirection happen, and you're going to see now that they have landed here on the page. And then when they go down to click Get Started, it's going to take them down to the cart. They're going to add it to cart. They're going to come down here. They're going to fill out this information. They're going to purchase this for $27, and you're going to earn the commission by selling this product on Warrior Plus. Of course, to check out to make sure that this is working, hover over this. You can see that this is Baker Gary. That is my affiliate ID over on Warrior Plus, so I will get credit for this purchase. Come back to your Aweber free account. Come under subscribers. Click subscribers. Here you will see your email list starting to be built. You will see me, GLB. You'll see the email address. You'll see the status is pending. What that means is Aweber has sent a confirmation email to the email address that the person that signed up, your audience, the person that joined your email list will get this confirmation email. They will click on this email. You will put something in here that makes them want to subscribe. They will click confirm my subscription. Now to see where all that information is under list options, list settings, come here to confirmation message, click that. Here's where you can set up your confirmation message, or you can customize it. You can pick any one of these responses, and then you can simply click here and you can edit this to say whatever it is you want to say, again, to make it more appealing for them to subscribe to your email list. Scroll down, save those settings, and then that will customize this message that people see. But what will happen is they'll click confirm my subscription. That will subscribe them to your email list. Then when you come back to your Aweber dashboard and you go under subscribers, you will see that that person is now subscribed to your email list. Then you'll come back to your dashboard. And then at that point, once you have an email list, what you can do here is you can come and you can create a message, enter your subject here. For example, find out more about Fiverr. Then you can type out an email. You can highlight this. You can change the font, which is recommended. Probably make it a little bigger and add more to your email, obviously. This is just an example. To keep it short and sweet, hey, Gary here, check out this about Fiverr. Click on this link to learn more. Then you can hyperlink this back to your affiliate link or back to your website or back to your YouTube channel, anything that you want. And for as an example, we'll just do this. We'll link back to 30minutemarketing.net. Click OK. You can see now it's a link. Save and exit. Come up here to schedule. You can check out all these options as you learn more about how this works. But the idea that you want to understand is who should receive this message. Current list, Gary Baker's list. It's the only list that we have. And you simply click send message now. Are you sure you want to send this broadcast? Yes, send now. It'll take you into your broadcast section of your messages, and you can see that it is sending, and it will be sent out to everyone on your list. They will get that email, they will open it, they'll click on the link if you compel them to do so, or meaning you make the email interesting enough and you sell the click. They'll click on that link, or they'll do whatever other action. For example, if you said, hey, reply back to learn more about Fiverr, and you start an email conversation with them, the idea here is to build a list, which is what you have done. You've built the landing page, the opt-in page using GrooveFunnels, GroovePages. You've built an email list, you got that first subscriber on your email list, you redirected them over to your product sales page or your affiliate link to the product sales page you're promoting on Warrior Plus. And of course, if you go back to Warrior Plus and you go under affiliate dashboard, you can come down to a daily affiliate stats. You can click on more. You can scroll down here and you can see that now Fiverr Profits Academy has one hop. And of course, no sales at this point because I was the one that clicked on it. I just wanted to show you this for completeness. So now you know how to find a product on Warrior Plus. You know exactly how to build a squeeze page, opt-in page, landing page to get people to enter their name and email address for more information about the product you're promoting and how that redirects them over to the product so you can earn an affiliate commission. Also how to build an email list over Aweber, all using the free accounts. And at this point, everything you see on this diagram has come together except for the traffic, which is the most vital point on YouTube and Facebook. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get traffic, free traffic from YouTube, click on the video you see on the screen right now, watch that, learn exactly how to get free traffic, and use the foundation that you just built here to build a free email list using free traffic to generate affiliate commissions using Warrior Plus. Click that video, watch it, I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.